The journey of a lifetime is waiting for you. Experience the award-winning Alpaca Expeditions Difference, 100% local, indigenous-owned staff, sustainable tourism leader, proud to be the #1 tour operator in Peru. You'll get the best camping equipment and gear, like our 4 seasons spacious tents, private dining tents, award-winning meals, Peruvian cooking classes. Our expert guides carry first aid kits, oxygen tanks, satellite phones, walkie-talkies, private, clean, portable toilets. You are fully supported by our famous Green Machine. Our founder started as a porter. We know what porters need. We are the leader in porter well-being. With our Porter's House, quality gear, private transportation, the grandeur of Peru's Andes Mountains will make your heart soar. Travel through different climate zones from alpine to semi-tropical. Explore historic ruins along the way. Learn from the locals. Experience the Alpaca Expeditions Difference. #1 tour operator of Peru. See where the Andes looks out over the distant Amazon. There are many different ancient Inca footpaths to experience with us, from the classic Inca Trail. Enjoy, fellow travelers. We are the direct descendants of the Incas. Our guides bring our history and culture to life, especially in spectacular Machu Picchu. Your trekking memories become a lifetime treasure. Machu Picchu is waiting for you. Alpaca Expeditions make your dream come true. Our customers say it all. We invite you to join us.
To Machu Picchu?
Alpaca Expeditions is absolutely the best for your bucket list.
They were taking care of us and guiding us through this journey. It was really magical.
Local, indigenous, sustainable. AlpacaExpeditions.com.